Agnichiragal நேயர்களுக்கு வணக்கம். So today we are going to see back bend variation. So last class வந்து நம்ம forward bend twisting பார்த்தோம். Last video. So today we are going to do the back bend. First the back bend preparation here. We go for shoulders and the upper back. Like the shoulder upper back stretch. Again we go for puppy posture. Again shoulder and upper back. Then we are going to do the lower back. Then quadricep stretch. Then I will do the Dhanurasana. Actually is a kind of preparation for Dhanurasana, the bow posture, right? As usual, we start with the prayer. Okay. Hands in Chin Mudra. Keep the back straight. You can sit any posture. Then simply close your eyes. You can stay here for 5 to 10 breath. But we are going to have Om chanting. Join the palms. Simply close your eyes. Let's go for Om chanting. Inhale. Rub the palms, make the palms a little bit warm. You can simply apply your palms on the face, lighter rub பண்ணிக்கலாம் நீங்க just massage பண்ணிக்கலாம். Then open your eyes into the palms, see the lightings are gradually. Nice. Any seated posture fine. Sugasanam or half lotus. Half lotus போட்டினா நீங்க leg change பண்ணி போட்டு one time பண்ணனும். So better Sugasanam okay. Sugasanam உட்கார்ந்துங்க நீங்க. I am seated in Siddhasanam. Okay, both hands up. Inhale. Internalize the fingers. As you exhale, gently wriggle the spine, stretching out the scapula if it's possible. Straight down. Turn the palms facing up. Look up the sky. Breathing. 5, 4. Go for deep breathing. 3. Expand your tummy on your inhale. Contract your tummy on your exhale. 2. 1. Nice. Inhale. Turn the palms facing down. Exhale. Bend your right and right arm touch your upper back. The left arm hold your right elbow. Then inhale, extend your elbow and shoulder towards the ceiling. Then pull your right arm to the left max. Okay, that means the right elbow to the left. Trying to keep looking front or look to the tip of your nose. நீங்கள் வந்து ஒரு 5 to 10 breath கூட stay பண்ணலாம். But we are moving. Inhale, right arm up. Left arm, touch your upper back, right arm hold your left elbow, extend the shoulder, then exhale, same, pull the left shoulder to the right, keep looking front or look at the tip of the nose. Stay here for 5 to 10. Nice. Inhale, both arms up, exhale, slowly keep down. Side, rotate your shoulder in, neutralizing the fingers near behind your body, roll the shoulders back. Okay, you stay here, watch me, I'll show the rear view. Sit here like this way. Roll the shoulders, put your palms on the ground. Push your arm against the ground, expanding the chest and look up. Or you can close your eyes and simply contract your rhomboids and keep your head on the back muscle. In the back muscles வந்து support பண்ணணும் உங்களுக்கு. Don't drop the head, okay? That's not good for one cervical. So you have to stay here. 2. And stay here for 5 to 10 breath. Look to the front. Inhale. Just pull your arms higher. This is okay. If you are able to move, you can actually pull higher. Keep looking front. It's a very nice shoulder internal rotation and extension. Super. 3, 2, 1. Okay, nice. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly move to the cat pose. You can keep the knee joints around a half feet away. So okay, tuck the toe, elbows down. Inhale, exhaling. You have to push your chest towards the ground. Keep your chin and chest on the floor. It's a very nice shoulders upper back stretch. This is a very important. See here, like this way. Breathing. You can stay here around 5 to 10 breath. Fine. 3. Keep holding. 2, 1. Okay, nice. Inhale, simply drop your pelvis on the ground, half cobra. So ஏற்கனவே நம்ம half cobra பார்த்துருக்கோம். If anyone has the lower back pain, you just try this half cobra. You can actually get a very easily can get the reducing and good result you can get in around. If you do this for 3 times, 30 seconds to 1 minute, if you do this 3 times, you really feel the pain reducing. So very good posture, especially those people who is traveling a lot, they might have the lower back pain, so you can stay here. Better in this kind of posture, you just close your eyes and simply aware your skeleton system, muscular system, okay. Also the breathing. Next, gently bend your right leg. The basic option here, I will slightly turn. Basic option பாருங்க, இப்படி பிடிச்சிட்டு லைட்டா pull பண்ணுங்க. You all, we go here, hold here and gently push it. Yes. Same, stay here for 5 to 10 breathe. Okay, come back. Inhale, exhale. அப்படியே counter stretch போலாம். You can keep the power on 45-degree angle. It's more support. Hold your left. Same, the basic option
Master.
you can hold here. Yes.
Okay, master, continue.
Okay, exhale, push it. Yes. Same, you can stay 5 to 10 breathe. Relax. Put your palms on the ground. Inhale, exhale. If anyone has a lower back injuries, don't do this posture. Okay, that others we can try, but you should not hang on the shoulder. You should not compress the lower back too much. The shoulder must be rolled back, push with chest, then arch. Yes. As you should stay here for 5 to 10 breath. You can actually flex the ankle or extend the ankle. Both are fine. That's up to you. Then slowly lie down. Bend your both legs. Rotate your shoulder in and hold your ankles. First, lift your chest. After this, here inge parunga. The leg and arms have to pull each other. Pull like this way. Just look up. Super, head up. Very nice. You can stay here 5 to 10 breathe. Also, you can go 3 to 5 sets. It's a really improves your back bend. Also, it's a good posture to keep your spine healthier. Okay, relax. Okay, Ranjana, light 45-degree angle turn பண்ணு. இப்படி இந்த பக்கம் நீ வந்து left turn பண்ணணும். Ritika, you turn to the right. இப்படி 45 degree. Okay, போதும். பார்த்தா இடிச்சிக்காத. Bend the legs. Okay, no problem. Come on. Hold the leg. Inhale. Exhale. Pull higher. Super. Head up. Yes, head up. Keep the neck active. Look to the front. Or up. 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Slowly come back. Inhale. Exhale. Right. Come up. Inhale. Cat pose. Knee joint wider first. Knee joint wider. Then sit on your heels. Here. Lengthen the spine. Try to bring your abdomen, rib cage, chest and chin on the floor with straight tongue. That's not a straight and line with your shoulder. Also, you can bring more closer. Is fine. It's a very good counter stretch and neutralizing posture. Stay here for 5 to 10 breath. Slowly walk the palm towards back. So diamond posture you already well known. It's a very good posture for the ankle joint, knee joint. Also, it stretches the quadricep. It also improves the digestion and elimination. It's a really nice posture for doing pranayamas and meditation. Just sit and watch your breathing. After this, see here. Gently rotate your shoulder in and hold your elbows or biceps near behind your body. That means the arms can contact your lower back. Inhale, exhale, bend forward. Purumya. If anyone has the lower back pain or if you feel really your ankle joint or knee joint getting pain, you choose the block option to put your head on the block. Others you can go, or you can keep the pillow in front, then drop your forehead on the pillows. If you are able to move, so just keep it here. Okay. Slowly come back. Inhale. Exhale. Concentration. Okay. These are all the videos for actually for your knowledge only. If anyone want to practice some intensive posture or therapy classes, so better you contact your yoga master, or you just drop me the message in the inbox, so I will make the video. Also you can contact me. I know you have my mobile number, so I will give you instruction. Okay. Thank you very much. Namaste.
என்னுடைய சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிவிட்டு பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் ஐக்கானை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் என்னுடைய வீடியோஸ் எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு அப்டேட் ஆகும். என்னுடைய வீடியோஸ் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.